if you're European and you invest in crypto, you are a crypto DeFi or investor trader in any way, you already have encountered this already. So you already know what this is. I mean, it just hasn't really been mainstream. It hasn't really taken off. The only time that it went up, LCX, I'm talking about Liechtenstein Crypto Exchange, the last time that it had an all-time high was in the last bull cycle, which is around basically, I want to say late 2021. So around that time, it had a huge explosion to the upside, to this price right here, to basically 40 cents, 42 cents. And then it came back up here, and it wants to go back up there again. So there's a lot of potential for upside on this token, at least at 2 to 3x if it moves up to the previous all-time high. So we see a lot of price action potential, and not only that, but the tokenomics are clean on this. I like the fact that this is a scarce token compared to a lot of the assets that people are looking into recently and stuff. This one is in particular, because of the fact that there's only going to be 950 million ever, right, which is less than 1 billion tokens in the max supply. There's not going to be any more minted, meaning it's going to be deflationary as they use this token LCX for the trading fees on their exchange, their European regulated crypto exchange, which is, it's regulated in Liechtenstein, which is a country in the European Union that speaks German. It's close to Germany, and that's why they would probably speak German. But essentially, this is already in a lot of the tier 1 exchanges. So first of all, it's on Uniswap. A lot of tokens are Uniswap, but apart from that, it's not only Uniswap. Uniswap is very easy to reach and to invest in, but Coinbase for sure. So not only is it part of the Ethereum ecosystem, which is the main DEX on there is Uniswap, it's on the tier 1 American exchange, which is Coinbase, and also Kraken, another tier 1. What I consider tier 1 is an exchange that's like allowed in the US, right? That's allowed in the US, but also globally. So Kraken is an example, Coinbase an example of that. KuCoin is not an example of a tier 1 exchange because it's not really in the US, right? It's just in like other countries. So that's not a tier 1 exchange. Bitroo is not a tier 1 exchange. It is a major exchange. But other than that, yeah, it has potential to be added to Binance. And if it gets added to Binance and other exchanges, because look, it's not on many exchanges, but it's on the right ones, in my opinion, too. In this bull cycle, the coming one, in the next few months, for it to rise in value and at least have a lot of price actions similar to what Quant had in the last cycle. So this could follow Quant, and not only is that possible, it's in my opinion, a lot of people that already know about Quant, they know about this because they're partnered together. LCX has a partnership with Quant. On their website, you can check that out. Do your own research, due diligence. Again, not financial advice. None of this is all my opinion, what I think. Don't do anything that I tell you to or anything like that. That's what I'm saying. It's just my own opinion. We all have our own opinions and everything. So I just hope you all enjoyed this video, and yeah.